The city of Paterson has emerged as a model of contact tracing, a glowing example of how contact tracing can lower the death rate of COVID-19. The numbers speak for themselves.
We've had over 6,000 confirmed cases. We've had 300 deaths. So the death rate is a little over 4%. The state average is 7%. So I'd like to think the death rate is attributable to the fact that the contact tracing team has been doing their work.
And they have been, but they've been at work longer than you may think. Paterson is the second most densely populated city in the country. Couple that with the socioeconomic status of the city, and the reality is that airborne diseases are easily transmittable in the city limits.
If there's a household of 12, one person gets it because they live in suboptimal housing conditions. One bathroom that they're sharing, couple bedrooms, no basement to isolate in. All 12 will get infected.
And they've seen it before.
We've had issues with meningitis, hepatitis, we have catering halls, we have restaurants. If there's a foodborne outbreak, we need to be properly prepared.
So in November of 2019, the city's health officer, Dr. Paul Prasad, decided the city needed to apply for a $95,000 grant through the state to build up their communicable disease investigation team, which is now known as the contact tracing team. They received the grant by the end of 2019, and by March of 2020, 60 city employees had undergone training from Johns Hopkins and Dr. Prasad on how to conduct contact tracing.
The way it works is that that individual who's infected is identified, isolated, interviewed, provides a list of close contacts, and then on that list of close contacts, they have to be meticulous. It's a painstaking process, and they have to follow up and call them all and quarantine them all.
Which coincided directly with the spread of COVID-19.
April 16th, our daily infection rate was 262 confirmed cases. Yesterday we had 7. So we're driving it down. Like when you talk about flattening the curve or slowing the spread. And they're playing a pivotal role.
In Paterson, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.